never give up, to never back down. You get through the storm, even the nights the darkest before the dawn. Live your life, live your dream.
Hi Priya.
Hi ma'am.
How are you?
Fine ma'am.
எப்படி இருக்க பிரியா?
Good. I'm good. நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நான் நல்லா இருக்கிறேன். So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Can you introduce about yourself, your studies, which you passed out, and your hometown?
Yes, I'm Priyadarshini. I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I complete my BE Civil from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, and I'm in 2019 pass out.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI?
Through my mutual friend Satyamurthy, he referred me here. So like that I got to know.
So which course you have taken here, Priya?
I've taken CACM ma'am. CACM.
So what and all you learned in CACM?
CACM is a combination of both civil and interiors. In civil, I learned about the reading of drawings, sequence of construction methodology, bar bending schedule, quantity takeoff, all those things. And in interiors, basics of interiors, SketchUp, cut list, all those things, estimation things. I learned.
Fine. So what about your site visits and all? How was that?
There were many site visits, like in civil site command center, Victoria Hospital, there and all we went. And in interiors, it was like exchange centers of Design Cave and Home Lane, Glamour Factory visit, there and all we went. It was very informative and it was useful.
Okay. So what about your trainers and all? How was their approach?
Trainers were very friendly. Natarajan sir, Rishit sir and Ashok sir, throughout the course, they were there to guide us. And I could learn a lot technically as well as for interview related things from them. It was very useful.
So what about the app CMTI? How did that help you?
CMTI app, it helped me in cracking interviews. I saw those videos and IDM related videos I've seen, site measurements related, metro construction related videos and all I've seen. It was I could gain a lot of knowledge from it.
What about the staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination?
They work all 7 days for us to get the schedules done. They are very helpful and they're always there for us whenever we have any doubts.
So what about Ashok sir, Priya? How was his motivation, guidance?
Ashok sir, from day one, I've seen him. He'll always come to our class and give motivation talks. It was very useful. Project coordination, project planning related, and interviews, cracking of interviews related things he have guided us. And all those were useful in cracking interviews.
I hope you're happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Before 2 months, I had no, I didn't know where to start my career. That's when my friend recommended CMTI to me. And now I have landed in a leading interior firm in Bangalore because of CMTI's guidance. If we put our efforts and we are ready to learn, they will help us to get placements in very good companies.
So thank you so much for your feedback. All the best for upcoming days. And once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank you, Priya.
Thank you.